Hi everyone, I'm Harshni Reddy Woodcore. I'll be presenting the code demo for the Java naive Bayes example for the group 12. So for this, first I have created a Scala Maven project and I have imported all the dependencies that are needed for this. As you can see here, we can see the Scala library, GRE system, and also all the Maven dependencies for this. And you can notice I have imported my pom.xml too, and we have our Java naive Bayes example Scala code. We'll be executing this to generate our jar file, which you can see on the left side of our code structure. So next we'll be going on with the clusters. So we have created our cluster for the group 12 demo where I have added all the required parameters, including the network and hardware and configuration details, which are defaultly set up. And our setup with the DNS server can be done using this list of commands. This will be our host name, and the respective private key to host in our local will be coming from the PPK file we generated. So after creating the cluster, we'll be creating our respective S3 bucket to load the data. So for this S3 bucket, let me go back to the file folder first. So we have our S3 buckets. Let's go to buckets. So you can see group 12 demo. This is the bucket I have created for the project right now. And I have imported the files attributes.txt, data.txt, and parameters.txt along with the jar file group 12. You would see there's an output folder. This is here because I have already executed the DNS server from my putty. So the output folder has been already generated. So let's see how we are going to do that. So this is my putty, and here you can see I have to enter the host name as I showed you here. This will be the host name and the respective private key that we have created for the group 12. We have to import that. After doing that, respectively, we can see our launchpad in the putty, where first we have to download our jar file locally, which I did it here. And secondly, we have to run our Java naive Bayes algorithm for this data set which we are trying to use. So by running this output folder in our S3 bucket will be generated, where you can see the success and part 0 file, which I'll be submitting in the output. And that's how we'll be running our program. And thank you again.